In this video we're going to checking out 5 best multi-process welder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best multi-process welder in the market. So, let's go for top 5.
Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Our number 1 choice is Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. This 3-in-1 welder unit can be used for stick welding, MIG welding, and DC TIG welding. When used for MIG welding, it is easy to set up to perform flux core welding. However, it can be easily switched to run mild steel through gas setup. When used for the stick welding process, this unit can easily run stick electrodes. A ground clamp and stinger are included for this process. A 3-position switch enables you to quickly change the process. Equipped in a durable assembly, this 140 MP multi-process welder supports the 3 basic welding processes. It is quite easy and quick to switch among different processes, according to your needs. The easy start mechanism simplifies the working operation. The integrated handle presents portability and user convenience. There is a bright display allowing you to set inputs and view the outputs. Through this display, you can control your weld infinite voltage. Moreover, the wire feed speed controls enable you to dial in the perfect weld. The entire unit does not seem heavy, so it is portable and easy to move around. For details, let's watch more. Our second best multi-process welder is Welder MIG 205 DS multiprocessor aluminum MIG welder. Welder gas or gasless multi-process welder is a portable welder that can be suited for a wide range of applications including iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel welding. The welder is perfect for home DIY as well as general repairing works. As a multi-process welder, you can use this unit as flux core, MIG argon, MIG CO2, and stick and lift TIG weld. You can easily switch the welding mode based on the welding application. The welder is protected by IGBT inverter technology with current control and stable performance. It operates on 110 volt and 220 volt with a high duty cycle of 100% at 123 ampere and 154 ampere. This multi-process welder is compact in size with dimensions of 18.5 by 14.2 by 7.9 inches. Besides, the welder weighs only 33 pounds that makes it convenient to carry and operate it. With an inbuilt LED monitor, you can get to know the necessary information including voltage, amps, and welding mode. You do not have to play the guessing game, rather you can easily get the information from the LED display. The multi-process welder has a noise-free operation so that you can have a quiet working environment. Besides, the welding process does not cause any spatter which ensures a clean working space. With this welder, you can get a steel welding thickness of 0.03 to 0.2 inches. Third pick in our list is Reboot Multiprocess Welder. This is a 4-in-1 multi-process welder that allows for MIG, MMA, gas and gasless welding. Reboot's multi-process welder is ideal for beginners and newbies as it is easy to operate and set the welding parameters for creating strong welds. The welder supports 2.2 pounds flux cored wire that allows you to weld carbon steel using any one of the 4 welding modes. Also, you can use gas works with 2-pound solid welding wires of 0.3 to 0.35 thickness. You can also use this for lift TIG welding by getting a TIG torch separately. With a rated duty cycle of 60%, you can use this multi-process welder for a wide range of applications including metal fabrication, maintenance, and repair of metal components. It produces an output current of 130 ampere. The welder features a portable design with a weight of just 18 pounds that allows you to carry it conveniently. Besides, the switching frequency of this welder is beyond audio range that provides a noiseless operation. This allows you to do your DIY home projects without disturbing your family and neighbors. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is WeldPro Multi-Process Welder. The IGBT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit. These units are capable of performing MIG, lift TIG and stick welding equally well at maximum 200 amp output. MIG 200 GDS V3-in-1 multi-process dual voltage synergic welder is designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. The Model 200 is also capable of true lift TIG welding as well as stick welding and aluminum welding with the optional spool gun. The MIG 200 is an intuitive synergically designed MIG flux core welding machine. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time. VRD high temp and overload protection with indication. User adjustable inductance settings. Last in our best multi-process welder list is ESOP Rebel Welder. The ESOP EMP215 IC welder unit delivers reliable efficient performance for different welding processes. It can be used for MIG, stick, flux cord, and lift TIG welding. Motivated by the professional welders, this unit is a complete package to weld aluminum, steel, and other metal parts. The innovative display comes with a huge display screen. This screen comes with a high pixel density to present a clear view. On the screen, you can see the user's manual and listing of spare parts. This intuitive display lets you enter your wire size, material thickness, and material type. Despite durable steel construction, it offers portability. This professional-grade welder unit is prepared in handle roll cage design and unibody steel construction. The drive roller system is sturdily built from aluminum. The 120 or 230 volt dual voltage offers flexibility to choose from 120 volt or 230 volt. With the help of a unique handle design, it feels comfortable to handle it. The lift arc is smooth and offers reliability. This machine can correct the mistakes made by the operator. For details, let's watch more.